So here are these wireless earbuds. It comes in a small box, now that it does need a lot of space. It brings the case, the two earbuds, as well as the charging cable. The charging cable is regular USB to USB 3, as you can see. And here is the case. You have the indicator telling you how much battery you got left on the case or how many charges. And then see, it's like stays in place. It's all plastic, and you can see it blinking right here. Now, so I can make this video without interfering with it, I turn off the Bluetooth on my phone, but the moment you open the case, it automatically pairs up with the phone. I turn the Bluetooth off, so this one is still blinking, trying to connect to my phone. But the moment you take them off, you open the case and just put them on, they will be connected to your phone. It's quite fast after you do it the first time. You can use them individually or you can use them together, and just put it back on the case if you want to charge it. It's quite simple, especially since it's magnetic, so it's very easy to use. See, you can also, you have the right on the left, you can skip songs by just tapping in it, you can mute it, you can open Siri if you have an iPhone. You can go back to the previous song. You can tap and hold it and it will put the volume up. If you tap and hold it on the left, it will bring the volume down. So it's quite handy in a very small package and for a very good price. And that's my take on it. So goodbye.